Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube video where we delve into the intricate art of drawing a realistic eye and shading it to perfection. Drawing an eye isn't just about replicating its form, it's about capturing its essence, its depth, and its soul. So let's dive in. Firstly, let's talk about drawing the lines of the eye. We'll start a light sketch to outline the basic shape of the eye, paying close attention to proportions and symmetry. Remember, the eye isn't a perfect circle. It has a subtle almond shape with a curvature that gives it its natural beauty. Once the basic shape is established, we carefully add the details: the iris, the pupil, the tear duct, and the eyelids. These lines should be drawn with precision and delicacy, capturing the nuances that make each eye unique. Now let's move on to shading. Shading is where we breathe life into our drawing, creating depth and dimension. We'll start by identifying the light source and determining where the shadows fall. Using a variety of shading techniques such as cross-hatching, stippling, and blending, we gradually build up the tones and textures to give the eye three-dimensional appearance. While shading, I pay close attention to the subtle transitions between light and shadow, and I'm not afraid to experiment different shading techniques to achieve the desired effect. Remember, drawing is all about expressing your creativity and personal style. Feel free to add your own unique touches to make the drawing truly yours. From studying reference images to practicing regularly, there is a wealth of techniques you can use to improve your drawing skills. And as you see, by shading in different angles, I try to make the volume which I need in my artwork. Next up, the eyebrows. The eyebrows frame the eye and play a crucial role in its expression. We'll start by sketching the basic shape of the eyebrows, paying attention to their arch and thickness. Then, using short, feathery strokes, we fill in the eyebrows, gradually building up the density and texture. Remember to follow the natural direction of the hair growth and vary the length and thickness of the strokes to create a realistic effect. Finally, we add shading to the eyebrows using a slightly darker tone to define the individual hairs and create depth. And after the eyebrows, shading the eyebrows, let's move to the eyelashes. Eyelashes add drama and definition to the eye, so it's important to get them right. We start by sketching the basic shape of the eyelashes, paying attention to their length and curvature. Then, using short tapered strokes, we draw the individual lashes, gradually building up their density and volume. Remember to vary the length and the angle of the lashes to create a natural fluttery effect. Once the lashes are in place, we add shading to define their roots and create their depths. Okay, well, in this video we had a step-by-step guide to drawing a realistic eye and shading it to perfection. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt doesn't turn out exactly as you'd hoped. Keep experimenting, keep refining your techniques, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Thank you for watching and happy drawing!